to do Quran video. Firstly, you first go to your Chrome. Then after going to your Chrome, you search freeaya.com. Then after searching the every ayah, you will have the surahs you want to use, or the ayah you want to use on the ground already. Let's assume I want to use the surah to Naba. Let me just go to surah to Naba. I want to use the last. Where is it? This is what number. Then after you have chosen the number, then you go to the ayah. Let's assume I want to use the 40 ayah, the last ayah. Then after picking it, then you now go and select the reciter. Let's assume I want to use Mishari. Let me just I'm just going to use any reciter that I liked. Let me use this. Sorry, your word. Let me check. Then you can listen to it first before. I'm going to use another one. Sorry, let me use this one. This one is
أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر.
Let me use this 30 minutes on. Then I'll come to this side and download it. Then you can change the name to Usori 40. Then you can change the name if you want, then download. Then after you have done that, you now go back to your Quran. You now go back to the Quran. You can download Qur'an.com, or I have iQuran here. Then I'll now go to my Quran. I'll go to Surah An-Naba. I'll go to Surah An-Naba. Then I'll go to number 40. Then you come here, you click on the surah and translation. Then you now click share. Then after you have shared it, then you can copy the surah. Then after you have copied it, you go and paste it on your notebook or any where you always keep your notes. Then I have my own book. I created a book for myself. Book. Then this is my book. I can post it here. Then I post it here. Then this is it about it. Now after that, let me just go and look for background. Let me search my nature background. Nature. Then let's assume I want to use this as my. I just use better one. Okay, let me use this one. Then let me download it. Then after I've downloaded my voice is ready, my Qur'an is ready, and my background is ready. Then I can go to CapCut. I can use CapCut to do it. I can use InShot to do it. I can use KineMaster to do it, and any other video editing but I want to use it in InShot to do this one. Then after that, I'll click on my video, then plus new video. Then I want to use the background. I want to use video. I'm not using video. I want to use photo. Then I can just come to this recent to pick the new video. Recent. Okay. Then I can pick it from my gallery. Then this is the picture. Then I will apply the picture. What happened? Okay, let me pick the picture again. This is the picture I'm wanting to use. Then after I have picked the picture, then I will now go for the music I wanted to use. Then I'll go for track. Then since I'm not extracting from anywhere, then I can now go to my music. If I want to extract from any video that I have on my phone, that I had on my phone, then I come here I come on extract audio from video. This is what I want to extract. But since I am not extracting from anybody, I'll go to my music. Then I'll search my music here. Oh, sorry. 40. Then I'll add my. Then I'll add it. Added it. Then I'll click OK. And move this. I'll click OK. Then I will now expand my background to reach in line with my music. Can you see it? This is my background. Then I can now be listening to it. Can you see it? Let me stop here first.